Welcome to LMC. Today we're taking a look at this Toyota Prius Plus XL TSS HEV. It's got a 1.8 litre petrol hybrid engine with an automatic gearbox and is on 78,124 miles. Now, this is a perfect family car as it can seat up to 7 people, especially if you've got a larger family. It's nice and easy. Nice big alloy wheels. Lovely looking front end. Got that nice aggressive looking front grille and headlights. With sensors up the front. Tinted glass on the side and rear for extra privacy, and a boot lid spoiler with nice big rear lights and rear parking sensors. Now at the moment it's configured to seat 7 people. As you can see, a nice amount of boot space still. 2 rear seats folded up, the centre row and 2 front seats. By simply pushing these down, you get an incredible amount of boot space. These seats, as you can see, also have easy access handles to fold down as well. And your rear 2 seats have cup holders on either side. Now taking a look further along the interior, the middle row, half leather seating, loads of legroom and a cup holder in the back. Then up front, all your window controls are on the door card. You've got half leather seats up front with a leather armrest. Steering wheel controls on either side of the wheel, and everything else is up here in the centre. From your push to start, giving you a notification when it's ready to drive, as it will start in EV mode. And then beneath this you've got the infotainment system featuring maps, navigation. You've also got radio and different media sources like aux, Bluetooth, CD and USB. Bluetooth connection for your phone for hands-free. And you've got a few different apps here like the Toyota Assistance, parking app, weather and so forth. Now putting the vehicle into reverse, we'll bring up your rear facing camera, and then beneath this are all your climate controls, heated seat controls, a nice amount of storage, and that's followed up by cup holders, some different driving modes here like Eco and EV mode, and then you've got storage inside of your armrest. So if you'd like any more information, please visit our website, and thank you very much for watching.